if you really believe that Bharat is going to be the third largest economy in the last 7 years, right, and the GDP is going to grow at, say, 7% plus, I think then you will see a lot of opportunities emerging. I think corporate India growth we have seen, which has been very strong in the last 2 years, I think will continue to grow at a double-digit rate, right? And if that is the case, then markets, while they might consolidate a bit in the near term because of the last huge outperformance, but I think you will still make the long-term returns what the markets have given, right? In the last 30 years or 20 years, if you look at markets have given around 13% compounded, I think, which is a great return which one can expect. And I think there will be some challenges. We are entering into a period where US economy, right, globally, you could see some slowdown. And to that extent, there could be some hiccups. But clearly for investors or who are taking a longer term view, I think this is an exciting time to be in here, right? I see that for the first time, a lot of fundamentals are falling in place, right? We have, for the GDP, investments, okay, which has kind of not really fired in the last 10 years. We are seeing that leg now starting to do well, okay, which will continue to sustain our growth. Most importantly, I think India's macroeconomic stability has really been significant improvement over there, right? For a developing country, I think that's most important. Whether you look at our currency, right? The volatility in the currency in the last, 2-3 years has been the lowest, one of the top lowest decile compared to either a developed market or the the emerging market currencies. We have seen that interest rates, right, have been fairly stable. So I think that macroeconomic stability would ensure that India's risk premium, which is there, okay, needs to come down. So that will mean that India will continue to remain expensive. I think you're not going to get cheap. I think people always complain that India is expensive compared to other emerging markets. I think that premium will continue to be there. And I think that's what investors, if, as I said, if the GDP grows from here, corporate earnings grow, I think you will see returns, reasonable returns from here is what we should expect.